Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Amina and I'm part of the Affirmed Mindsets team. Our mission, to teach you how to turn your ideas into income. But before we jump into this basic Canva template tutorial, and I mean basic, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any future videos. I am excited for today. I am excited for what we can all accomplish together. So ready to get started? I am. Let's go. First up, how to sign up for a free Canva account. It's super quick, I promise. You'll just click the link down below to get started. Once that's done, we move on to accessing your template, which is as easy as clicking the link provided to you upon purchase. Next, we'll dive into the fun stuff. Editing text. This is where you can customize the words to match your style or message. Then comes editing images, where you'll swap out photos or graphics for ones that fit your vibe, your brand. Canva offers so many images, it's crazy. After that, it's all about editing colors, play around with different shades to get the perfect look. And finally, we'll wrap things up with editing elements where you'll tweak the little details and add a little spice to your design. And last but certainly not least, downloading your finished file so you can start making money from your awesome creations. Canva is a super user-friendly graphic design platform where you can create everything from social media posts to presentations, documents, and marketing materials, all without needing a background in graphic design. It's accessible, beginner-friendly, and offers both free and paid pro versions. Now here's the great part. With the free version, you can do pretty much everything you need to get started, including all the basics to create professional-looking designs. But as your business grows and your needs expand, you might want to consider upgrading to the pro version. It offers additional design elements and features that can help you beautify or level up your designs even more. That said, for now, the free version has everything you need to hit the ground running. Again, link is down below in the description box. First thing you're going to do is visit canva.com. Now, I know I don't need to explain this part. We all know how to access a website. Heck, some of us are out here visiting sites we have no business being on. I'm guilty too, don't worry. Next up, you're going to click on Sign Up, which should be right at the top right of your screen, whether you're on your computer or phone. Now, once you're there, you'll either sign up for a new Canva account, or if you already have one, just log in to your existing account. If you're signing up, Canva will give you a few options. You can use your Facebook account, your Google account, or just sign up with your email. Pick whatever works best for you. After that, you'll create a password. Make sure it's something secure, because we do not want anyone sneaking into your Canva account and messing up all your beautiful designs. That's a no-go. And boom, you're all set. You're now Canva official. Fireworks, please. Okay, so you found the MRR, Master Resale Rights, or PLR private label rights product you want to recreate and sell. Exciting stuff. You go ahead and purchase the product. And here's what's going to happen next. Most likely the seller will send you something that looks like a thank you for your order note. Or maybe not, maybe just an email with the link provided. Either way, you should be able to find the link pretty easily. There should be something that points out where the link is for you. But now let's just use this example that I have right here on the screen. So under the thank you and all the yada, 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 thanks for your money, girl, you see the click link here to edit in Canva. That link is your golden ticket. It's what you'll click to access the Canva template. Once you click that link, it's going to take you straight to the template in Canva where you can start customizing and making it your own. Super simple, right? Okay, so after you click on that magical link, here's what's going to happen next. Canva will immediately pop up with a little prompt asking if you want to edit this template. And of course you do. Why else would you have clicked the link, right? So go ahead and hit that button and let's see where it takes you. Spoiler alert, it's going to open up the template. All right, now we're in, baby. The first thing we're going to do is edit the text. Now, you could totally start with editing your images if that's your thing, but I feel like it's a little easier to start with the text. Once that's done, you can move on to the images and all the other elements to really spruce up your design and make it pop. You've got a ton of options right at your fingertips. Don't like the font? No problem. You can change it to something that better matches the vibe you're going for. Canva has a huge library of fonts to choose from, so you can find one that feels just right. Want to change the font size? Easy. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on what you need. Text color not working for you? Switch it up. You've got the option to choose any color that fits your design. You can also adjust the alignment, spacing, and more to make sure everything looks clean and professional. Once you're happy with the text, you're ready to move on to the next step. All right, Now let's talk about editing photos or images. First, look over to the left-hand toolbar and click on Photos. From there, you can use the search bar to type in the type of photo or image you're looking for. Canva's library is packed, so you're bound to find something that works perfectly. Once you find the photo you want, it's as easy as dragging it onto the existing photo. Canva will automatically swap the old photo with your new one. From there, you can adjust the size as needed. Just click and drag those little corners until it's exactly how you want it. It's simple, smooth, and oh so satisfying. Let me add that you can even upload your own photos. Just click on the upload button, and once your photo appears, you can drag and drop onto your template as well. Hopefully everyone is still here and able to grasp everything. If not, please feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. So this is what it should look like after you click on a photo and drag it over to the template. The original image is gone and the new one slides right into its spot like it was always meant to be there. From here, you can adjust the size, reposition it, or even add some extra flair to make it fit your design. Next up, let's talk about changing colors, because this is where your design really starts to feel like yours. To change the colors of an element, shape, or text, here's what you'll do. Select the element you want to update, whether it's a shape, text box, or graphic. Click on the color box that pops up, usually at the top or side of your screen. This will open the color palette, where you can pick the perfect hue to match your vision. Now, here's a pro tip. On the left-hand panel further down, you'll find something called Brand Kit, or brands in some versions. This is where you can input all your brand colors, fonts, and other assets. It's a total game changer for consistency, whether you're working on one design or dozens. But don't worry, we'll dive deeper into all things branding in another video. Canva comes with a massive library of free and paid elements to take your designs to the next level. To find these elements, just head to the left-hand toolbar and click on Elements. Use the search bar to type in keywords that match the theme or vibe you're going for. Whether it's shapes, icons, lines, or illustrations, Canva has you covered. When you find an element you like, simply click on it and it will be added to your page. Once it's there, play around with it, resize, rotate, recolor, or reposition it to fit your design. The more you explore and experiment with Canva, the easier it becomes to achieve the exact look you're going for. Trust me, before you know it, you'll be creating designs like a pro. Once you've finished editing your design, it's time to download your masterpiece. Click the Share button on the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file format. For most social media or sharing purposes, PNG is the best option. If your design has multiple pages, you can also choose specific page numbers to download. Finally, click Download, and that's it. Your file will be saved to your device, ready to share with the world. And there you have it. You've officially completed the most basic old-school Canva tutorial of 2025. It doesn't get any more straightforward than this, folks. But here's the thing. These steps don't just apply to MRR or PLR products. Nope. This can work for anything, whether it's editable templates for Canva that you've purchased for t-shirt designs or coffee mug designs, social media graphics, or even planners and journals. The possibilities are endless. Canva makes it super easy to customize and bring your creative ideas to life, no matter what you're working on. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of digital products and take your business to the next level, check out the Let's Get Digital course. In this course, we cover everything you need to know about turning your ideas into profits, how to market MRR and PLR products like a pro, and selling through social media, because let's face it, that's where everyone is. Building and growing your email list to reach more customers, and setting up your stand store so you can start selling your products right away. There's so much packed into this course that I'm honestly out of breath just listing it all. Sign up for the Let's Get Digital course today, and let's turn your ideas into income. Oh, and if you still need to sign up for Canva, don't forget to use the link below to get started for free. Until next time, remember, girl, you got this.